Talk to your AI. The trade lands in your journal. TradeOnyx is a trading journal with a native MCP server. Connect Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini and describe your trades in plain language without typing. Through the open MCP standard, TradeOnyx connects straight to your AI assistant. You describe a trade in plain language, and the assistant does the rest. No setup plumbing, and you can switch your assistant anytime. Just say, USD long at 108.50, stop at 108.30, playbook London breakout. Your assistant creates the trade and links the playbook in a single sentence. A tag like FOMO you add later in the review. Ask, what's my win rate this month? The assistant reads your stats straight from TradeOnyx and answers instantly. More than 35 tools are on tap. From a single trade to the weekly review, the integration works with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cursor, all speaking the same open standard. Your data stays in the EU. You choose which assistant becomes your co-pilot. Make your AI your trading co-pilot. Connect your assistant in Settings under Integrations. Free for 7 days, then included in every paid plan.